Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best ironing board is probably one of the most underrated household tools, but a good one can make a world of difference. From crisp shirts to wrinkle-free dresses, the right ironing board can transform your chore into a breeze. In this video, we'll dive into the top ironing boards on the market, helping you find the perfect one to elevate your ironing game and keep your clothes looking their absolute best. Number 5. Gorilla Grip Ironing Board Cover. This ironing board cover is designed to withstand high temperatures. It's resistant to heat, scorch marks, and stains, ensuring it lasts a long time. This feature provides a durable surface for your ironing needs. The silicone surface reflects heat, unlike other materials that absorb it. This helps you achieve wrinkle-free clothes much faster. The iron will glide smoothly across the surface. The cover stays securely on your ironing board. It has strong elastic edges and hook and loop fastener straps. This design ensures the cover remains in place during use. The cover has extra thick padding for a better ironing experience. It creates a barrier between your clothes and the ironing board. This prevents the board's mesh from transferring to your clothes. This cover is designed to fit most standard-sized ironing boards. It features a nose pocket design and measures 15 by 54 inches. The elastic edges provide a custom fit. What we like. This cover is designed to resist heat and scorching, ensuring your clothes stay protected. It reflects heat, speeding up your ironing time. If you have a busy lifestyle and need to iron quickly and efficiently, this is the perfect choice. The reflective surface will help you achieve wrinkle-free clothes in a fraction of the time. What people say. Great fit. Cushion for quiet ironing. Looks great. Padding is sufficient, thick. Elastic all the way around, fits over the board perfectly, nice and tight. Smooth ironing surface. I liked the Velcro tightening straps. It fitted my ironing board. I used it right away after receipt. It looked like it will last a long time. The iron glided over the pants, being ironed with ease. Number 4. Honey Can-Do Over-the-Door Ironing Board. Introducing the Honey Can-Do Over-the-Door Ironing Board. This innovative product is designed to make ironing easier and more convenient. It's perfect for small spaces and offers a practical solution for keeping your clothes wrinkle-free. Built with a durable steel frame, this ironing board provides reliable support and long-term stability. The sturdy construction ensures a firm and steady ironing surface. You can count on it to last. Designed with small spaces in mind, this lightweight ironing board easily hangs over any standard door. Its compact, foldable design saves valuable floor space and allows for effortless storage. It's perfect for apartments and dorms. The iron board folds up and down effortlessly with a smooth mechanism and securely locks in place when not in use. This provides both safety and convenience. It's easy to store away when space is limited. Cushioned bumpers on the over-the-door hooks help prevent scratches and dents. This makes it a safe and practical choice for any room in your home. It protects your doors and walls. Equipped with a 7mm foam pad and a 100% cotton cover, this ironing board offers a soft, heat-resistant surface. This helps deliver smooth, wrinkle-free results with every press. It makes ironing a breeze. It offers the same space-saving benefits as a wall-mounted ironing board without permanent installation. It also offers significant advantages compared to a tabletop ironing board. It's the perfect solution for your ironing needs. What we like. This over-the-door ironing board is perfect for small spaces. Its foldable design saves valuable floor space and is easy to store. If you are looking for a convenient and space-saving solution for your apartment or dorm, this is the ideal choice. It offers the same benefits as a wall-mounted board without the need for installation. What people say. Easy installation. Modern lead quality, construction, and design. It hangs easily over any door, means that it doesn't take up valuable floor or closet space. It was so easy and is exactly what I was looking for. Number 3. Home GENIE 15 by 54 Ironing Board Cover. Tired of spending hours ironing? This cover is designed with a special silicone coating that reflects heat. This helps make ironing more effective, giving you perfect, wrinkle-free clothes in no time. Say goodbye to scorched ironing board covers. The thick, durable material resists scorching and staining up to 400 degrees. You can use it safely on heat-safe surfaces, time after time. This cover stays securely in place while you iron. It features a nose pocket, hook and loop fasteners, and elastic edges. 2 hook and loop fastener straps and strong elastic edges keep it from shifting. Enjoy the extra protection this cover provides. The thick padding creates a barrier between your clothes and the board. This helps prevent the board's mesh from transferring onto your clothing. This cover fits most standard ironing boards. It measures 15 inches by 54 inches. The elasticized edges and hook and loop fasteners make installation easy. Please note that the ironing board is not included. What we like. This cover makes ironing faster and easier with its silicone coating, which reflects heat. It resists scorching and staining, ensuring the cover lasts longer. If you like a quick and efficient ironing experience with a cover that stays securely in place, you should consider this one. It's designed to fit standard boards perfectly. What people say. Ironing surface is wonderful. Non-scorch surface. Fits great and is very good quality. Number 2. Handy Laundry Magnetic Ironing Mat, 19 by 28 inches. Tired of bulky ironing boards? This mat changes any flat surface into an instant ironing board. It's a simple solution for quick ironing. When you're done, it folds up easily. This allows you to store it in small spaces, perfect for apartments or travel. It includes a silicone iron rest. This textured area provides a safe place to put your hot iron while you work. This lightweight mat is easy to take with you. It is ideal for travel, ensuring you can iron anywhere. Measuring 19.5 by 28 inches, it provides a wider ironing surface. This makes ironing easier than using a narrow board. Made of 100% cotton, it provides a great surface for ironing. This ensures your clothes are well cared for. What we like. This mat turns any flat surface into an ironing board. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and travel with. If you are a frequent traveler or have limited space, this is a must-have. It provides a convenient ironing solution wherever you go. What people say. The ironing board is very sturdy. The board is wide and long, which makes ironing large items like curtains and tablecloths much easier. The iron rest is a great feature. Number 1. Bartnelli Pro Luxury Ironing Board. Tired of wobbly ironing boards? This one, crafted in the EU, is built to last. It provides a rock-solid ironing experience, ensuring years of dependable and safe use. Imagine gliding your iron smoothly over your clothes. This board features a thick cotton cover with foam backing. It helps you achieve a crisp, professional look effortlessly. This board comes with a washable pad, iron rest, and hanging rack. It makes your ironing routine easier, giving you more time for the things you love. It's all about efficiency and joy. Adjust the height to your preference and easily fold it for storage. It adapts to your life, offering both comfort and convenience. It's designed to fit you perfectly. Enjoy the generous 62 by 19-inch surface and a 1-year warranty. You'll have plenty of space and the assurance of quality. It's designed for both space and reliability. What we like. This ironing board is crafted in Europe, ensuring sturdiness and reliability. It has an extra-wide surface for more ironing space and an adjustable height for your comfort. If you like a premium ironing experience with all the convenience features, this is the one for you. It's designed to make your ironing routine a joy. What people say. It's solid, extra-wide, and serious quality, no wobble, no fuss. The adjustable height and built-in iron rest make ironing, dare I say it, actually enjoyable. The cover is extra thick pad. And wide enough for iron sheets, and table dose not wobble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.